You know how we often struggle switching between multiple devices, wishing we had a magic wand to make it all super smooth? Well, meet the magic wand for your tech life, the Logitech M720 Triathlon Mouse. It's designed to keep up with you whether you're navigating a spreadsheet, gaming, or juggling tasks across your laptop, desktop, and tablet. As the name implies, the M720 Triathlon is built to endure. It's got a sturdy design capable of withstanding up to 10 million clicks. Its standout feature is the Easy Switch technology, which allows seamless switching between up to 3 paired devices. Alright, let's check this out. The box is pretty sleek, so it looks promising, right? So it says that this mouse can connect up to 3 devices at once, has hyper fast scrolling, and a battery life of 24 months. That sounds pretty awesome. So open it up. And there it is, the Triathlon Mouse. Love the design. Holding it feels nice and balanced. It's like it was made to fit in your hand. They've clearly thought about comfort here. See this button here? That's the Easy Switch. Swap between your devices in a snap. Your either laptop, your desktop, tablet, you name it. And check this out, it only takes 1 battery, and it's supposed to last for 2 whole years. So this little champ won't let you down. So there you have it, folks. The Logitech M720 Triathlon Mouse. It offers convenience, durability, and user-friendly features. It's an impressive tool that's designed to make your life easier no matter how you choose to use it. If you've been looking for a mouse that offers convenience, comfort, and top-notch functionality, this mouse will be your match.